adding to the batteries already. And by the way, this barracks here was completed in the year 1915. But this one was first destroyed December 29 of 1941. That was the first day of the attack of the Japanese in this island. And approximately, by the way, that first day, all the men here were just watching the planes above. And then suddenly the Japanese dropped 16,000 of shells, 24 hours a day. So that first day, 30 died here, and 80 of them were wounded. And now, also if you notice, there are braces already supporting the barracks. All of those are the project of the National Historic Institute, because all the barracks in the island are estimated 8 to 10 more years. So anytime, pwede na po yan mag-collapse. Okay? And like what I said earlier, all materials are imported except for the windows that was made of Capiz. And this is how the Middle Time Barracks looks like before the war.